To run a CLI command for Azure SQL Scale Up, follow these steps. First, open the Azure CLI and log in to your Azure account using the command as login. This will prompt you to enter your Azure account credentials. Next, select the subscription that contains the Azure SQL database you want to scale up using the command. As account set subscription, replace with the name or ID of your subscription. Now, use the command as SQL DB show to get the current service objective of your Azure SQL database. This will display the current tier and performance level of your database. To scale up your Azure SQL database, use the command as SQL DB update. Specify the resource group name, server name, database name, and the new service objective. For example, to scale up to the premium tier with 100 DTUs, use the command as SQL DB update, resource group, server name, set SKU equals P10. It is essential to note that scaling up your Azure SQL database will result in downtime. So it is recommended to perform this operation during a maintenance window. Additionally, be aware of the costs associated with scaling up your database, as it may increase your Azure bill. Best practices for scaling up your Azure SQL database include monitoring your database performance regularly to determine if a scale-up is necessary, testing your database after scaling up to ensure it is performing as expected, and considering automated scaling options to minimize downtime and optimize performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully run a CLI command to scale up your Azure SQL database and improve its performance. Always review the current service objective and costs before making any changes to your Azure SQL database.